Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change color in Adobe Illustrator. So firstly select your text like this one. Now here you will see option fill. So double click on it. Here you can pick any color, then click on OK like this. Here you will find more option for color. Select. This is the for design color, and there are some simple color. And when you click here, so you will see a list of option for color. This is the fruit color. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this basic video we can know how to change color in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.